nakapag-check-in ako. Supposedly kasi, hi everyone! So, kakalan ko lang from Doha. And dito ko ngayon for Phuket. 4 days off ko pero ilalaban ko to. So, medyo nahihiya ako. Anyway, yung sa binook ko na hotel, meron naman siyang free transfer. Pero ang mistake ko is nag-book ulit ako sa Klook. So, solo ko yung van ngayon. Meron naman parang meet and assistance sa airport. So, anyway, I'm gonna be seeing you later. Bye! Hi everyone! So we're finally here sa hotel in Phuket, Thailand. Kakaland ko lang kanina around almost 7 a.m. And dumating ako dito 9 a.m. And time check, it's currently 11 a.m. Mamaya pa dapat ako 3 p.m. or after 3 p.m. makakapag-check-in. So, ang nangyari is, merong dalawang nag-check out before 12 noon. And nag-offer sa akin yung, andito yung mismong may-ari, nag-offer sila sa akin na pwede ako mag-check-in as early as 11 a.m. Pero, dalawang rooms lang yung available. So, mag-additional payment na lang ako ng 3,000 baht, which is like 500 pesos, which is okay lang kasi sobrang pagod ko sa biyahe. Kakagaling ko lang ng Australia, by the way, and dumiretso agad ako sa airport para lumipad dito sa Thailand. So, anyway, we're gonna be doing a quick room tour. And if you wanna check their hotel, i-link ko na lang siguro sa description box yung booking.com nila na link. So, di ko pa naayos yung mga luggage ko. But anyway, as you enter the room, there is a closet. Yan yung itsura niya. May mga hanger naman. And then, this is how the rest of the room looks like. So, I have here a flat screen TV and my fridge ako. And they gave me 2 complimentary water. And this is my bed. It looks so comfy. Actually, naalala ko sa kanya yung bed dun sa room namin sa LHR na hotel. And then, this is the vanity area. And then dito, yung view ko lang naman is actually almost facing the road ako. Pero that's okay. 3 days, 2 nights lang naman tayo dito. And ayokong gumastos ng mahal sa mga ibang hotel. And I have my bathroom. So I have a shower and a bidet. So yay. That's nice. Anyway, I'm gonna rest for a while muna kasi mamaya. I think I'll be going to the beach and I'll be having my massage. Kasi nakita ko kanina umaga na naghahanap ako ng kakainan. Yung ibang tao is naglalakad sila, naka-swimsuit na sila. So, pag naka-rest na ako, i-check ko kung kaya ko siyang lakarin. And if not, siguro mag-book ako ng Grab. Pero okay lang, sige, lakarin natin siya. Matutulog naman ako. See you later. Bye! So, get unready with me. Medyo maingay kasi nakaharap ako mismo sa road and hindi ko alam kung paano ko gagamitin tong new tripod ko. Actually, mini tripod yung kinuha ko pero hindi ko alam kung na-extend ba siya or what. I feel like hindi siya ma-extend. So anyway, bear with me. Ako na lang mag-a-adjust. I'm gonna be taking off my makeup kasi I'm gonna be going for a quick nap. Ayoko matulog na naka-makeup. Hindi naman ako naka-makeup, pero I have my sunscreen, my eyebrows, and my blush on na nag-fade na. Anyway, ang konti na lang pala nung tawag dito, cotton pads ko. Which is okay lang naman kasi pagising ko mamaya, I'm gonna be heading to Tops. So Tops is one of my favorite groceries here in Thailand. One of the things I love about the location ng hotel na to is sa tatawid lang ako, ando na yung 7-Eleven and yung Tops. So I'm gonna be getting some of the goods. Bili ako ng food, ng water, Para if ever magutom ako sa gabi, at least I have my backup stock. Paano mo magtatagal dito? So anyway, we're gonna be taking off. Alam niyo, iniisip ko, magtatanggal ako ng mascara, pero hindi naman pala ako nag-mascara. Anyway, I'm gonna show you this one na lang. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but... Ay! Okay. So, pag may mascara ako, this is what I've been using. The Heroin Make Mascara Remover. I super love this one so much, pero hindi totally natatanggal yung mascara ko. But it helps somehow. So, ang ginagawa ko na lang is ginagamit ko yung oil cleanser ko para totally mawala yung mascara. So, anyway, I'm just gonna be taking off my sunscreen or kung ano man yung natirang product sa face ko after ng flight and all the haggardness ng arte. Also, I feel like this vlog is gonna be so long. Mas mahaba dun sa mga usual vlogs ko na, let's say, 5 to 15 minutes. Pero anyway, na-enjoy ko na actually magsalita sa mga vlog, lalo pag mag-isa lang ako. So, by the way, share ko lang din. Pag nagta-travel ako, I always bring this one. So, I have my personal toiletries, my body wash, my shampoo, my conditioner, my moisturizer, my makeup remover, and lahat ng mga possible toiletries na pwede ko nang gawin. Kasi ayokong mag-rely sa... By the way, just a sidetrack. Grabe yung attention span ko. Ayokong mag-rely sa mga toiletries sa hotel. I actually am a cabin crew, so ayokong mag-rely na yung shampoo, yung conditioner, yung soap sa hotel yung gagamitin ko. Kasi ayokong mangyari na malilito yung skin ko or yung body ko sa mga products na ginagamit ko sa kanya. And just to be safe na tried and tested ko na yung mga ginagamit ko, nagdadala na lang ako sa sarili ko. By the way, nilito talaga ako kadagda sa totoong buhay. Minsan lang mo akong mahinhin.
Like Nick Cannon and Mariah, been riding out, fueling fires again. What's this, like the 6th time since we first met? When you call, I can't fight it. Something in the way you move, keep on drawing me in. Those lips I know so well, they excite me. Said I know them like the back of my hand, back of my hand. I know what you've been through. I know what you like.
Hi! Mga kasama natin. We're here in Bangla Road.
Your face got me hurting. I'm afraid it's too late. It's not that I don't trust you. I don't trust myself.
Hi everyone. Time check. It's 12:08 a.m. So, tulog na ako actually kaninang 8 p.m. pero nagising ako. Kasi, feeling ko kailangan ko bumili ng food for tomorrow for breakfast. Kasi we're gonna be going dun sa island hopping namin. And I'm not sure if we'll have time or if ever we'll be having the chance to have breakfast. And ako, I'm such a breakfast girly. So, lumabas ako kanina to do mini groceries. I just got myself a bottle of water, some coffee, some snacks. And buti na lang, kanina pa ako nagka-crave. Buti may nahanap ako ng my most favorite Thai delicacy or Thai dish is chicken pad krapao. And bumili lang ako ng coffee. Ito yung coffee na binili ko. So actually ngayon ko lang na-discover na yung ibang branch ng Tops Daily is 24/7 pala silang bukas kasi akala ko bago din sila nagsasara. So pumunta na ako. Bon appetit! Morning everyone! So time check, it's currently 6:52 a.m. and as you can see dito sa bottom part ng phone ko, nag-alert na yung clock kasi for today, meron kaming island hopping activity. So, I'm just waiting for a few minutes bago ko bumaba. Pickup time is 7:30 to 7:45 sa lobby. I-meet ko doon si Aya and si Angelo. By the way, sa iisang hotel lang kami nag-check-in. And kahapon lang sila nag-book. So, buti na lang. Meron pang slot doon sa date na in-avail ko para sama-sama kami. So, anyway, hindi ako masyado nag-ayos kasi ayoko rin ng maraming bit-bit na gamit. So, magsusnorkeling kami ngayon. I just put my hair in a very messy. As you can see, super messy ng pagkaka-braid ko kasi ang iksi ng hair ko and sobrang freezing niya. Kahit higpitan ko yung pagkaka-braid ko is talagang kumakawala siya and nangangawit na ako. Ayoko na siyang ayusin. So, hindi ako nag-makeup ngayon. Nag-sunblock lang ako. Meron lang akong ganap na eyebrows, my blush, and my lippies. Gusto ko sana maglagay ng mascara, pero kagabi kasi parang na-allergy yung eyes ko sa mascara. Kasi hindi ko siya natanggal masyado. So, nag-curler lang ako. So, anyway, I'm wearing this cute pop of color necklace and this shirt na may design ng elephant. Yan lang yung cover up ko and then underneath is my swimsuit. And I'm gonna be seeing you later. Bye!
So give me your moment, show me that baby it's out for it. It's out for it. So give me your moment, show me that baby it's out for it. It's out for it. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad like I got it bad for you. If you got it bad like I got it bad.
So, ngayon kami magiging natin dito sa Fifi Kineme.
Fifi Kineme. Sabi nila Fifi is flower. So,
Flower.
Like I got it bad for you. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You know, you know, you know. You know, you know. You are not the one, you're not even my crush. You think you my star, but you barely made the cut. You say you don't need me, but I'm calling you bluff. Cause you keep begging for it, no, you can't get enough. See, that's your issue, too much pride. Lucky I even replied. Said that I couldn't do better, but we both know that you lied. I write niggas twice, you said.